You can go hide that one too. There you go. Hi, pretty girl. There you go, pretty girl. There's a pretty girl. Yeah, I know. I know. Someone didn't feed you. Yeah. Hi. Here. Oh, I got hot dogs. Hi, honey. Okay, I got more. I got more. Here you go. There you go. I'm Mickey, my foster. I want to take you home. Good girl. Such a cutie. Such a cutie. Yes, you are.